Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Mylene Abasola. You can call me Lynn for short. I am 32 years old. I have blessed with 2 kids, ages 11 and 6 years old. My height is 152 cm and my weight is 57 kilograms. I am undergraduate college. Took up Bachelor Elementary Education due to financial problem. I have working experience in Saudi Arabia for almost 2 years and here in the Philippines for 2 years as a nanny. I can take care of babies, kids, pets, cleaning, ironing, cook some Filipino dishes and some Arabic food. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods. Please hire me as your helper. I am kind, honest, and easy to follow instruction. Thank you. Have a nice day.